Well, gentlemen, on behalf of the Vietnamese American who serve in the United States Armed Forces right now, I have the honor to stand in front of you to say thank you very much for your time and service in Vietnam. We are the products of what you sacrificed for. I understand that you served with all my uncles and elder brothers here once upon a time, and they are still looking very sharp in their uniforms. I just want to let you know, after 28 years serving in the United States Army, engineer, Boer, Army strong, I have the pleasure to lead all the younger Vietnamese American generation who join the service right now. We are one strong team right now, and you know, and you probably heard that we finally have a Vietnamese American who make general officers in the United States Army right now. He actually served in Afghanistan right now. So I just want to let you know, on behalf of Mr. and the community here and Mr. Hai, the former Vietnamese ARVN Association, we just want to let you know that you're not forgotten, and your service and sacrifice there is bear truth and bear result to see us, the younger generation, is still marching on, wear the uniform proudly. Thank you very much, sir.